Hello members of Tambol Math class. Here is a very interesting probability question. Though I am not sure whether this space will be enough for me to solve this problem, but let's just get started. The question reads, a bag contains 7 red, 5 green, and 2 pink discs. Helen, this is the first question. Helen takes 1 disc at random and replaces it back for 140 times. Find how many times she expects a green disc. So to solve this problem, remember, first of all, we need to find the probability that she picks a green disc. And that probability will be the same for the green disc every time. Yeah, that's the same chance that green disc has. So the probability of picking a green, let me just call it G because I don't have much space, is equal to the number of green discs, which are 5 in number, divided by the total number of discs. So let's add. I can see 5 and 2 is 7, another 7, we have 14. So this is the probability of picking out a green disc in that bag. But since green disc has this probability every time because there is a replacement, then how many times she expects to get a green disc every time she picks a disc out of the bag is what? This probability multiplied by the number of times she has been picking out these discs. So we have the solution to the problem. This implies that the number, should I even write this one? You know what I mean. This is what I'm trying to say. Therefore, the number of times she expects a green disc is equal to 5 divided by 14. I don't have to write everything all the time since I am explaining, times 140. Now you can see that 14 can go here exactly 10 times 5, we have 50. So this green disc is expected to come out every time she picks like 50 times. This is expectation, you should remember this. This is probability. Now let's move to the second question. She later adds 9 green discs and some pink discs in the bag. So what hasn't changed? Red. So we still have 7 red. But since she has added 9 onto, is it 9 green? 9 green. Already there are 5 in the bag. 9, this becomes 14. 14 green. And some pink, we don't know. This is why the question says we should find the number of pink discs added. Some pinks, meaning 2 plus whatever. Let me just call it X. Pink. Can you see that? This is just logical. But the question further stated that the probability of taking a green disc is now 2 divided by 7. Probability of taking a green for now is 2 divided by 7. And what is the number of pink disc added? What is a probability? Expected divided by the sample space. So green here is 14. So this is equal to 14 divided by the total. So let's add 7, and this one will give us 21, right? 21 plus 2 is 23, and 23 plus X. That is the total, 23 plus X. So this is the equation we need to solve for X. How should we do that? I think we can cross and multiply. 2 times 23 is 46. 46 plus 2 times X is 2X. And this is equal to 7 times 4 is 28. 98. I think I have the solution here in case of larger numbers. Oh, there is no larger numbers here. All we have to do is to collect the like terms. We have 98 minus 46, which is 52, right? So 2x is equal to 52. I'm doing that mentally. That is 98 minus 46. And later we can divide both sides by 2 to get 26, right? This is 26. So it means that she has added 26 new pink discs into the existing two pink discs. Together now we have what, 28 in the bag. So these are the solution to these two problems.